Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have the event open. Now add the meeting. First, click Add Conferencing and choose Zoom if the add-on is available. If you don't see Zoom, click the 3 dots or Get Add-ons and install Zoom for Google Calendar. Make sure you grant permissions so Google can create meetings on your Zoom account. Once done, return to the event. You should see a Zoom meeting line appear in the conferencing section ready for editing. Now customize the Zoom link and event details so attendees know what to expect. Click the Zoom link in the event to open meeting settings. Choose whether to use your personal meeting ID or generate a new meeting ID, toggle passcode and waiting room, and set registration if needed. Make sure the event time zone matches participants' locations, add a clear description and attachments, and invite guests by email. Once those changes are saved, the link will reflect your choices. Finish by saving the event and sending invites so everyone receives the Zoom link. After you save, double-check the calendar entry on both desktop and mobile to confirm the link and dial-in details appear correctly. Open the link to ensure it directs to Zoom. If the link is missing or shows conferencing not available, sign out and reconnect the Zoom add-on or reinstall it and reauthorize Google permissions. That usually fixes common sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.